Open the front door, you'll find the water inlet of the water chiller. Open the lid and fill in pure water or distilled water until the water line up to yellow mark. Then put back the lid and close the front door.
Now let's find the power cord. If your laser is less than 3 cool, connect to OV, 1-phase power. If you have a 3 cool or bigger laser, please connect to 3/8 OV, 3-phase power. Find the gas tube, connect one end to the inlet on machine, the other end connected to your argon or nitrogen bottles. Energy generator is available too. Now let's turn on the power switch on your machine, then reset the emergency button. Finally press the green color controller button, and you'll see the control panel is working. It's time to set up wire feeder. Open the side door, load the wire coil, and pull open the 2 pressure plates. Now carefully pull the wire from bottom and load it into the long and narrow in length until the wire is up to about 150 mm at the orange tube. Now push the pressure plates back to the original places. Find the signal wire of wire feeder and plug to the signal terminal of wire feeder. Power wire plug to power terminal 2. Look the panel, click manual wire feeding, then the wire will go through the orange tube and come out. Find out the leading tube. Now let's loose the screws of the orange tube, then carefully lead it through the support hole on welding torch. Put back the screws and install the leading tube. Now look at the control panel on welding machine and set up technology parameters. Then turn on the laser, clamp the conductive clip to workbench, and it's ready for welding. Disassemble the weld torch, install the scanning head. Remove the orange wire tube, use a screwdriver to open the lens window. Disassemble welding lens and install scanning lens. Turn off the controller and restart, then set up cleaning parameters. Now it's ready for cleaning. Disassemble the welding nozzle and assemble the weld cleaning nozzle. Disassemble the weld cleaning nozzle and assemble the cutting nozzle.